Hi friends, welcome back to Additionally. In the last class we have learned about Introduction to AutoCAD up to the basics. Now in this session we'll continue the Introduction to AutoCAD part 2. So before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Let's start. Now let's see what are the functions of mouse that are used in the AutoCAD software. Most people use a mouse as their pointing device, but other devices have equipment controls. If this is our mouse, the left one is for drawing specification or object selection, and the right one is used for the customization to improve drawing productivity. And whereas the scroll is used for pan or zoom. These are the functions of the mouse that are used in our AutoCAD software. For example, if we want to select some object in AutoCAD software, we can simply press left click on the object. It will select the object so that we can erase it or we can change the dimensions of it, whatever changes that we like to make with it. Let's learn about the commands. There are so many commands in AutoCAD like copy, move, rotate, mirror in 2D, path array, rectangular array, polar array, and more. Let's learn about units. Units is a command that we generally use once we open our drawing sheet. This very first command that we use in our AutoCAD software. When you first started drawing, you need to decide what length of one unit represents. An inch, a foot, a centimeter, a kilometer, or some other unit of length. To use this unit command, you need to enter UN in the command area as I am showing here and press enter. So the command for the units is UN. So this is the pop-up screen that you are going to see once you enter the unit command. Drawing units, and the left side we can see the length, the units that are related to the length, and the right side you can see the units that are related to angle. In the length there are 5 types of units that the AutoCAD software has provided for us: architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientist. So once you enter the unit command, you are going to see a pop-up screen like this. In the left side you are going to see the units that are related to the length. In the right side you are going to see the units that are related to the angle. So once you click on this type, you are going to see 5 different units that AutoCAD provided for us: architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientist. The sample output of the architectural is like 1.5 inch or 2 inch or 3 inch. So any unit that you are going to enter in this software, if it is under architectural, you are going to get the sample output in the form of inches. And decimals, of course you are going to get the sample outcome in the form of decimals. And similarly at the other one, if you select the scientist, you will get some sample output in the form of 1.5 e to the power of 0 or 1.5 e or 0.0 e to the power of 0 in this way. So in general, we use decimal or we use engineering. So I am choosing decimal right now. The units, in insertion scale, you are going to find many different units: millimeter, inches, feet, centimeters, etc. So in general we use feet. And the angle, there are many different options that are given in the angle, namely decimal degrees, degrees, minutes, seconds, gradients, radians, and surveyor's unit. In general we are going to use decimal units. And once you press OK, you can start your work of drawing. You can start your designing. Now let's learn what are the benefits of AutoCAD. This AutoCAD helps us to improve productivity in drafting, shorter preparation time for drawing, reduced manpower requirements, customer modifications in drawings are very easier, most efficient operating in drafting, low wastage in drawing, minimized transcription errors in drawing, improved accuracy of drawing, assistance in preparation of documentation, better design can be evolved. So friends, today you learned about the introduction of AutoCAD software. We are also providing the online mock test series for AutoCAD software. Let me explain how to write the exam online. Once you click the link that we provided in the description box, you will be taken to this site. First of all, type your name and then choose the right answers that you listened in the class. choosing it randomly. You can see your score once you submit. So the score is mentioned here as 50 by 100. So you can view the score in this way, and you can also verify the answers. If you don't know how to install the AutoCAD 2021 software, I have provided the link in the description box. You can go through it, and I have also provided the video in my end screen. Please go through it. Thanks for watching my video, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos.